We are trying to find the length of a rectangle if the width and the perimeter are given to us. Here's a good example, and you could maybe picture like a sandbox or something like that. What is the length of a rectangle if the width is 3 meters and the perimeter is 20 meters? We need to find the length if the width is 3 meters and the perimeter is 20 meters. Okay, I'm going to use my algebra skills that we had been practicing. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw myself a little picture so I understand what's going on. So I don't know exactly what, how long these things are, but I do know that the length here is 3 meters, and I know the length here is 3 meters, and I know that the perimeter is 20 meters. I don't know what the length is. Sorry, if I said length here, I meant to say the width here is 3 meters and the width here is 3 meters. I don't know the length and I know the perimeter. Okay, so I have a lot of information. I can use this, our algebra skills and this information to find what exactly the width is here and here, because we don't know. How we do that is we begin with the formula for perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 length plus 2 width. All right, well that's no problem so far, because it's you're looking at the perimeter is the measurement of all 4 sides. Length plus length, or length plus length is 2 length, and width plus width is 2 width. Same thing. All right, well let's start. We're going to pop in some information that we do know, so that'll help us. I do know that the perimeter is 20 meters. And times 2L plus, and I know the one of the widths is 3 meters, so I can pop that into there. So this looks like something that I can deal with a little bit better. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this again. 20 meters equals 2 length plus 2 times 3 is 6 meters. Okay, this is looking good. Make sure that doesn't, you know that's not 21. Make sure you know that's an L. Okay, now we just use our inverse operations strategy that we've been using to solve algebraic equations. What I just said is fancy for let's get L by itself by using the opposite operations. Now, what can I do to get L by itself? I need to subtract 6 meters from this side. What I do to one side, I do to the other side, and then I rewrite the equation. So 20 minus 6 is 14 meters, equals 2L, which I don't know yet, and 6 minus 6 is 0, so that just cancels itself out. Now what do I have left? I have 14 meters equals 2L. Okay, I can deal with this. I know what's going on here. I have to use the inverse operation again to get that L all by itself. So it makes it, I can solve what 1L is. So we have 2 multiplied by L. What do I need to do to this to get the L all by itself? Well, I'll use the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I divide this by 2. I get, and I do the same to the other side. I get 2 divided by 2, which is 1L. And 14 divided by 2 is 7 meters. All right, now I have found out the length, one length of this box by using my algebra skills and my inverse operations. And if I was really feeling extra awesome, I would definitely double check this. So I know that this box here, we know it's 3 meters this side, 3 meters this side. I found out that this side should be 7 meters and this side should be 7 meters. How would I check this? Well, if I add all those together, they should be 20 meters, because that's what it told me. So 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 6 is 20 meters. So that's how we find that answer.